Hey guys, welcome back over at Buddy's place. Looking at the 6.0 a little bit. It's a halfway decent day out today. And we were going to do a compression test on this, but he already found the problem with his camera scope thing. And the glow plugs kind of tell you a little bit too. This was a glow plug out of number 2 cylinder. There's tips missing. And I don't know, these look slightly swelled. Not for sure. They don't look too bad. I'd probably run them again. But this one's not so healthy. And I'll put up some pictures here, but that number 2 cylinder, you can see the rings in a hole around through behind on the back side of the rings, or you shouldn't even be able to see them. So it's probably where the problem is. Well, found a couple parts engines, so we're going to look at one of them. One of them's got some major carnage on it. So here's one of the blocks we drug home, parts engine. But as you can tell, it's already got some issues. Let's see if I can show you guys here. That is a piston laying down in by the crankshaft. And there's another one up in there. And it's got some windows in the block. So this block over here is all tore down, and this piston in the other engine is missing, a good 1/4 inch of that piston along the side there. So we're going to pull this one apart and see what kind of carnage is in here. Getting it tore down here. This has a little bit different oil cooler on than a pickup version. It had some big lines going to up by the radiator. Otherwise, everything else is pretty similar.
Oh, wow, they're tight.
That's a good thing, right?
Maybe. Still didn't help it any. Still got a giant hole in the side of the block.
That's minor. Now you're doing this in the right order so you don't warp the head, right?
Yeah, because I'm terribly worried about it. But it does have head studs, so that'll be some money saved.
Yeah. I'm guessing the pistons probably slammed the bottom of the heads anyways, so.
Yeah, I'd be shocked if it wasn't ruined somehow. These heads are prone to cracking anyway.
I'm interested to see what this thing looks like.
Usually inside the valve guides, or the valve area is where they crack.
I don't know if this will pick up on the camera, but some of these glow plugs had some copper color shiny sparklies on them.
Ouch.
Other than that, they actually looked like they're in pretty good condition. You getting them?
One left. Ah.
That's a tight one.
Oh, did you hear it?
Ooh, what was that?
Finally, the whole head let loose.
Oh.
That's the updated one. Oh, look at that one. That one's cracked in half.
I don't think that's supposed to be like that.
Look at the other one. It's cracked right in two. Looks like that one kissed the valves. You can see the valve marks all over it.
Split it right in half there.
Let's see what the bottom of the head looks like. Actually not bad.
No.
I would have figured it had been smashed a little harder. Actually looks really good.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. The best one I've seen before this was one was up in the top.
Oh, look at that
turn
push
the
rod.
quarter turn.
It's an S.
Nice. So you probably got some bent valves.
Oh yeah. I'm sure it's hammered in there.
Those any easier?
No. I should hold the camera. You should do this.
Oh, let me give it a try.
Here, try one. They're not that loose.
Which ones did you get already?
Oh, just the middle ones. I want to say they're only like supposed to be 140.
They feel like a lot more than that.
Agreed.
You should have like a straight bar. It's kind of wiggly.
You just got to use the old floppy ratchet.
Oh, they're snug.
Oh, I don't know what happened. It just shut off. The screen shut off.
Yeah, it goes dark after like 15 seconds. You just gotta touch it again. If you're using that. It's supposed to save power.
Oh, okay. Just don't dump it on yourself. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they definitely wanted to get rid of the old 6-liter head gasket issue.
Yeah. I think you made it look easier than it feels.
Right? I was panting on the first one too.
My knees hurt from digging in the back of the block.
Here, switch. I'll do the rest.
This is the last one, I think.
Oh, okay.
Get that oil pipe right away.
Yeah. Hey, neither of us can say we've done this before, so if that's the only thing we missed, we're doing good.
This is as close to a 6.0 as I've been before. What's with your impacts and not staying on?
I don't know. It's a cheap Harbor Freight Torx or Hex, so it's not like it's shocking.
That 1/2-inch impact doesn't seem to stay on.
It's because that impact's well used. It's weird when I watch your videos, I literally can hear the impact and know it's mine. What is that? Oh, there's another dead one.
I don't know if I'll be able to get that one out.
Connection rod fell out of that one. How do you wreck an engine this bad?
This one's stuck on pretty good.
Yeah. Well, you got past the compression ring.
think there's gonna be a rod on it?
So far, no. The other ones didn't have any. Nope. Shattered the bottom right out.
That's beautiful.
Worst part is this block doesn't even have much wear on it.
No, somebody just put a lot of money into this thing.
Junk now.
Ooh, yeah. Look at that.
Can you imagine the noise? No. Oh, look at that one. Big old chunk out of the block.
Nice. You guys think this thing will turn over?
Oh, it actually does.
Holy carnage. Look over here.
Oh, the inside of the block's even broken in here.
Look at this crank. That's beat.
Yeah.
See any rods?
No, actually. Whole belly of the... Oh, they're laying in the bottom. You can see them right there. See the wrist pins and everything.
Could just weld these up and run her on 4-cylinder mode, kind of like them Chevys when they shut down some cylinders, right?
Yeah. That'll be entertaining. Like the wall of shame right here for Ford.
So, look at these pistons. Look at that thing. Oh, dang it, that one's bad now.
They must have had this thing juiced to the max. There's no reason it should have done this.
I wonder if this isn't the one that caused them all. Split piston. See, I feel this one cracked, started diluting the oil, spun the rods.
That's possible.
Because this would have ran and just had a little rattle. Might not have probably realized what was going on. Yeah. And then that took out the rest of the rods.
They must have been hammering on it hard though. Can you imagine the tires locking up on when the engine finally locked up?
Yeah, this engine was in a big rollback truck, tow truck thing.
Pretty nice looking rollback too.
Yeah. Navistar's finest engineering here. .60 for life.
Yeah, I don't know about that. And look at this one. You can see the big ridge in it.
I think you could clean this one up and just throw her together.
You could.
Oh.
That's not my style.
I wonder what actually was wrong with this one.
I don't know. It makes me wonder why they would have tore it apart if they were going to put it in there.
Yeah. Maybe they were going to swap parts and found out that stuff was different. I don't know. Tipped the engine up and wrist pin fell right out the bottom. There's a tiny little hole in the bottom there. I think some JB Weld could fix that. Let's see what we got in here.
Oh, half a wrist pin.
We got a winner. Look at that.
That's a keeper.
Ooh.
How do you break an H-beam wrist pin?
I think these are just the powdered metal rods, though. I don't know. Might be able to get the part number off that one.
Holy crap.
Oh, yeah. We hit the jackpot.
See what I mean by tapered?
Oh yeah.
Jesus. Look at
That's
even the rings are spread out like,
that's a winner.
oh my Lord.
Look at all that, guys.
Look at the girdle plate. Just destroyed itself.
Nice. Love it. Awesome.
I don't think I've ever seen an engine this bad.
No. Well, you know, I did blow up a 350 Chevy pretty good once. And I don't think I ever pulled that one apart. It broke, I think, 4 rods in that. And it severed the camshaft into like 3 or 4 pieces.
Look at the crank right there. Look at how big a groove is worn into it.
Yeah, that was beaten for a while.
Holy cow.
It was knocking.
That's an understatement.
Well, guys, hopefully that helps someone out. Them 6-liters can be quite the mess. Good luck with them. Try to give you an update on engine in the truck as it unfolds. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?